gone to the beach and seen a massive amount of trash in the oceans and in the sand? Or have you ever thought of how about those same items viewed as trash can be recycled and used to create something greater? The Ocean Conservancy recorded that 80 million metric tons of plastic enter our oceans. That is when I, Shayla, who's interested in zero and low waste items, Kwon, who's interested in shoes, and Bala, who's interested in sustainability, decided that we wanted to create a shoe and a brand that would not only be ethical and sustainable, but will also make a successful change of a lifetime.
As global warming become more serious and will have been impacting tremendously during 2020, think about the number of trash that human beings dump out to the environment every day. EPA.gov last year have been pointing out that the average waste of each person per day is about 4.9. In US alone, were about 292 million tons of generation of municipal solid waste. So my team come up with an idea based on the idea of their trash per hour goal. Not all trash are useless, and so we are trying to take up as many as possible and reusing it. And we as our main material to come up with our product, as sneaker will be completely from recycling product.
So whenever we think about our potential customer, at least when it comes to the market, everybody is a potential customer, whether that may be within our countries or overseas. At least when we first launched, the plan is to develop a close relationship with the eco-friendly movement and position ourselves in a growing market outside of fast fashion. With the heightened role of that the environment plays in our society and the growing movement of environmentally conscious people, we plan on releasing our shoes by adhering to a strict pact with nature and the surrounding world that we live in. We believe that many people are looking for such products, and we believe that by placing it at a competitive price, along with our other competitors, that we will see growth in our market.
The way we expect to make our money is by selling our environmentally conscious shoes to not only the people who take interest in shoes, but also people who are trying to make a difference in the world by reducing trash that can be recycled. Our shoe was designed to not only be wearable, comfortable, appealing to the eye, but also affordable to the public, making the price of our shoe just $100. At this rate, our shoe is not only making a substantial, significant, and considerable influence, but is cost effective.
So my team included me as marketing study, Bala running for financial office, and Sila Water heading our marketing department. We as a new generation who will continue to live and share this modeling in the next 50 years, and that there must be something that we have to do. As a group of young generation, we see there's nothing that we can help us spreading our message to everyone as much as us as sneaker. Sneaker community in general is inspired, energetic, and as much love for this modeling as everyone.
All right, so whenever we're looking at our competitors, some of our biggest competitors are the more mainstream companies like Nike, Adidas, New Balance, Puma, who take up a large share of the overall shoe market, as well as a large following on social media. These companies sell a variety of products that are not limited to just shoes. They go beyond that through athletic wear, through sports equipment, and much, much more. One of our direct competitors is a company named Saola, which is also in the market for sustainable, environmentally conscious shoes. And and that's why they're a direct competitor of us, because they are primarily selling shoes just like us.
Of course, there are many different brands that are well known and have been in the field for years. For example, Nike sustainable shoes are made of at least 50 to 60% of recycled materials, and we want to aim to 75 to 80% and eventually 95%. Saola is also one of our top competitors in the raw materials, but also the prices as they vary from $90 to $120. But our price will be at a permanent set price of again just $100. While these brands are gathering their materials from landfills, we want to gather our resources from the oceans to not only create the shoe, but also clear our seas from waste, water pollution, and make a change for sea animals. With our different cultural backgrounds, we can reach people in and out of the United States. Our environmental and social selling point differentiates us from competitors because we can attract both people who want a nice sport shoe, but also those who want to reduce their footprints to create a solid, meaningful, and fundamental change for future generations. We will be open to discuss further with anyone of interest, and we'll love to meet and hear your ideas and feedbacks on Datamart and if there's a possibility of investing in our brand.